The average altitude in Florida is said to be just 6 feet above sea level. More than 1.5 million acres are in the Everglades. While the rest of the state might not be quite as swampy as the Glades, it's all pretty wet. It's all pretty low, and it's home to some very unique creatures. This is Crystal River, a clean, spring-fed system that stays around 72 degrees year-round, which means when the Gulf of Mexico starts to get chilly in the fall, manatees head this direction, eventually forming the largest gathering of manatees on the continent. Even better, this is the only place in the country where it's legal to swim with them. They can be elusive when they want to be, fanning up silt and excrement with their wide paddle tails. When we tried to film some in Belize, we never even got close, maybe because they face more poaching there. But we heard Floridian sea cows were a little friendlier. We had no idea. This pair is a calf and mother. The calf is still nursing, which it may do for an entire 1 to 2 years it stays with its mother. Females can only have one calf every 2 to 5 years, and pregnancy can last 13 months, so reproduction is slow, which means that these rare creatures might never have booming populations again, especially given how slow and docile they are, and how often they get hit by boats. This sausage-shaped animal might look fat. It is nearly 1,000 pounds, but unlike seals, they don't actually have much fat insulation, which is why they need warm water. Most of their bulk is just their massive stomach and intestines, which they keep as full of seagrass as they can.
Every little movement, every little thing you do, is it sleight of hand that commands my heart to love you? Every little movement, every motion of your hips, I feel the compulsion to pull you to my sweet lips. Sit up like
this little female is a big fan of our cameraman. Eventually, we'll have to break it to her that she's not a little mermaid, and he's no Prince Eric. Plus, he's already married.
Every little movement is beyond improvement. You are the magician I've been wishing for forever.
Why are we chewing ropes? No idea, but it does give us a great look at the mechanics of their floppy mouths.